what are the use cases of Claude with Facebook ads? So first I just want to see how many of my ads are active. So I just tell my ads manager account how many ads are active in this account. So due to the MCP, without logging, it will show if there is any active ads on my account, and we'll see how many campaigns and what exactly the things are. It's like a brain for my Facebook ads. And if I connect it with the Facebook ad skills, now I have a best performance marketer and a best who is operating my ads manager. So 164 ads returned with the query, active 152 ads, fully delivering, sales coaches, billboard. Okay, how many campaigns are active, and can you check how many leads and what is the purchase price per lead? So now I can ask which campaigns are active, how many leads, what's my CPL, it is getting over, and I can assign a task. If my leads are getting above $25, stop that campaign. If my leads are less than $5, scale that campaign. Okay, so now we have this. So entirely giving me all the matrices how you can use it. And let me know in the comments what are the use cases you are doing it with these Facebook ads. And do subscribe for more AI.